in this video, I'm going to show you how to use bonsai nippers on horse hooves. So they are meant for bonsai trees, but they're like little mini nippers that are great for trimming the bars and frog, especially in the summertime when the hooves are really hard. So the main difference between the bonsai nipper and the regular nipper is that, other than being much smaller, the bonsai nipper has an angled blade, whereas the regular nipper has a flat blade. So if you're used to using a nipper, it is going to feel a little awkward to use these at first, but it just comes with a learning curve and they are really helpful. So first I'm going to show you how to trim the central sulcus here with your bonsai nippers, which is something you're going to want to do if there is flaps like this. You want to be able to open it up and, if necessary, treat for thrush. So what I'm going to do is follow the angle of the blade along with the angle of the hoof, and I'm going to trim, and I'm going to flip them around so the angle of the blade is going like it's like you're trimming a valley. Trim the other side. Right now that I've cleared some of it away, I want to get a little bit more. You can always start with less and then trim more if you need to. So I've cleared up all those flaps. I want to just get this little part right here. Again, just making sure to follow the angle of the blade with the angle of the hoof. Now the next thing you can use these for is to clean up these collateral grooves. So see, it's kind of, there's a flap here. So what I'm going to do is tuck it under. So I'm tucking this blade under the flap of frog. And now I'm going to trim and move it up. Now I've opened this up. I might want to get a little bit more in this corner. Now that collateral groove's completely opened up. We'll do this side. So again, I'm just going to stick this one. There's less to trim. I'm going to put the blade under that flap. Got the blade under the flap, and then just move it along up. See, there's less to do on this one. There we go. So even though there's not a lot of bar to trim here, I'm going to show you the technique. You can, for this, if you're trimming along the bar here, you can put the blade of the nippers along the angle of the concavity of the sole, so they're resting on that. So if the sole is less concavity, they're maybe more angled, more concavity, or less angled if there's less concavity, more angled if there's more concavity. And if I want to trim this kind of lump of bar here, just trim along following that. Again, the same thing on this side. It's kind of stuck there, pull it off. For trimming this top part of the bar, they don't really need to be trimmed, but it would be the same thing. Or you could come along this way if the bar was really tall.